Welcome to Data Tutorials. This video is going to be all about the data list element, so let's get started. First, we're going to have a form, and inside the form we're going to have a label, and for the label we're going to put best player, and in the form attribute we're going to put best, and below that we're going to have an input, and we're going to get rid of this. Now we're going to have an ID, it's going to be best. And to have the data list, we need to have the list attribute in the input, so list. And here we're going to call it the best player. Now below that I'm going to add the data list. And inside the data list we're going to have an ID. And the ID needs to match the attribute list in the input, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Now inside the data list, to provide the list of choices, we need to provide the option element, so option. In the value we're gonna put, the first one we're gonna put Messi. We're gonna copy this. And we're gonna change the second one to Ronaldo. And the third one to Robert. Now let's check the browser. And here if I hover over, and here if I hover over the box I can see an arrow, so I'm gonna click on the arrow, and here are options. Now let's select Messi, and Messi is written. Now the difference between the data list element and the select element is here you are actually giving the user the option to enter a custom answer. So here we can get rid of it from Messi, and we can put our own choice like Suarez, for example. And that's how data list works. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.